The first impression about someone can heavily influence the desire whether we want to get to know them better or not. First impressions are formed within 7 seconds of meeting someone new. Whether you are successful in a job interview or in scoring a date with your crush, it all comes down to how you present yourself during that first impression. This is why it's crucial to make it a positive and memorable experience. Pay close attention until the end of this video to discover 5 powerful first impression techniques. Be respectful. Treating people with respect and kindness is not only a matter of good manners, but it also speaks volumes about who you are as a person. It's important to understand that people want to feel valued and respected, and this often starts with small acts of politeness like saying please and thank you. These small gestures can have a big impact on how people perceive you and whether they are willing to reciprocate your kindness. It's not enough to show manners and respect only towards the people you are interested in, but towards everyone around you. For instance, how you treat the waiter at a restaurant can be a good indicator of your character. When you show kindness to everyone, it shows that you have a genuine interest in people and are willing to go out of your way to make others feel comfortable and respected. Treating others with respect can also be seen as an act of generosity. It's not just about being polite or avoiding negative consequences, but about making a positive impact on the people around you. When you treat others with respect, you create a sense of goodwill that can be contagious. People will be more likely to treat you with kindness and respect in return. And this can lead to a powerful first impression as well as more meaningful and fulfilling relationships. Be enthusiastic. When meeting someone new, it's important to show genuine interest in them. Don't hold back or be afraid to let your excitement show. In fact, people often find passion to be a charming sign of strength and inspiration. By smiling and incorporating friendly humor, you can make yourself seem approachable and easygoing, which can help to build rapport with the person you are trying to connect with. When you show interest in someone, you are showing them that they matter to you and that you value their presence in your life. This can make the person feel seen and appreciated, which can be a powerful way to build trust and foster a deeper connection. By being curious about their interests and hobbies, you can learn more about who they are as a person and what makes them tick. This can create opportunities for shared experiences and new memories that you can cherish together. Remember that every person you meet has a story to tell and something unique to offer. By showing interest in them, you can unlock the hidden treasures of their personality and create a meaningful bond that might last a lifetime. So, be open and genuine in your interactions and let your passion and enthusiasm shine through. You never know what kind of magic can happen when you truly connect with someone on a deeper level. Be open to new things. Being open to new experiences and willing to try them out can be a very inviting trait. It shows that you are adventurous and not afraid to step out of your comfort zone, which can be very attractive to others. When you show that you are open to trying new things with others, it creates an opportunity to bond over shared experiences and creates memories that will last a lifetime. Even if you don't particularly enjoy the experience, simply being willing to try it with someone else can make them feel appreciated and valued. Additionally, having a positive outlook on life and finding the good in even the most challenging situations is an admirable quality. It shows that you are resilient and can bounce back from adversity, which is a very attractive trait. When others see that you can maintain a positive attitude despite difficult circumstances, it can make them feel more secure and confident around you. Of course, this doesn't mean you should be blindly optimistic or ignore the challenges in life. Rather, it's about finding a balance between acknowledging the difficult aspects of life while still maintaining a positive outlook. When you can strike this balance, people will naturally be drawn to your dependability and optimism. Stay humble and genuine. When meeting someone new, it's natural to want to impress them by showcasing our strengths and accomplishments. However, it's important to balance this out with a degree of humility, as it shows that we are grounded and aware that there is always room for growth and improvement. By being humble, we demonstrate that we are not defined by our achievements and are open to learning from others. This can be an incredibly endearing quality, as it shows that we are willing to listen and be receptive to new ideas and perspectives. Showing humility can help create a deeper sense of connection with the person we are meeting. It can make them feel more comfortable opening up to us, knowing that we are not just interested in showcasing ourselves, but also in getting to know them as a person. Incorporating humility into our interactions can also help to shift the focus away from ourselves and onto the larger concerns of the world. By demonstrating a genuine interest in the well-being of others, we can foster a sense of compassion and empathy. Have an open body language. The way we carry ourselves and present ourselves to others can have a profound impact on how we are perceived. Our body language can speak volumes and even carry more weight than the words we use. That's why it's crucial to be mindful of how we present ourselves to others, especially when meeting new people. Taking the time to ensure that our posture is good, making eye contact, and leaning forward to express interest can convey a sense of openness and receptiveness that is truly touching. By displaying a genuine interest in what others have to say and paying attention to our body language, we can forge deeper connections with those around us. It's important to remember that our body language can communicate just as much, if not more, than the words we speak. And when it comes to being silent, even small gestures like nodding our head or smiling while keeping a strong eye contact can convey that we are listening and interested in what the other person is saying. When we are aware of this and take steps to present ourselves in the best possible light, we can leave a lasting and positive impression on those we meet. If you enjoyed the video, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.